Recording start. A warm welcome to all the delegates, dignitaries, and my dear students for this National E-Conference on Library Management Systems in Higher Education Institutions. I, Sonali Joshi, Assistant Professor in ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you for this National E-Conference, which is jointly organized by the IQAC and Library Committee of ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College, Kandivali East Mumbai, and IQAC and Library Committee of Kokal Unnati Mitra Mandal, Vasantrao Naik College of Arts, Commerce, Murud Janjira, District Raigad. So it's a warm welcome to each of you who is participating in this national conference. First college, that is the ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College from Mumbai. Mumbai was the most popular city in India with an estimated city population of 1.25 crore, living under the municipal corporation of Greater Mumbai. It has the highest number of millionaire and billionaire among all the cities in India. Mumbai is a home to three UNESCO World Heritage Sites. That is the Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, the city distinctive ensemble of Victorian and Art Deco buildings designed in the 19th and 20th centuries. Everyone knows about the Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and economic center of India. So this is the topography of Mumbai. But you can see the beauty of Mumbai in the slide. Mumbai is a beautiful place, it is a tourist place. First, the Elephanta Cave, it has the five caves of Lord Shiva. Then, the Gateway of India, the best place to visit in Mumbai, was built in 1924 by the George Willett to honor the visit the King George V and the Queen Mary to Mumbai, facing the West Arabian Sea. The next is the National Park, sprawling all over an area of 104 square kilometer of land. The toy train, One Rani and boating is another popular attraction here. Next is the Siddhivinayak temple, one of the most frequented temple in Mumbai. This is dedicated to the Lord Ganesha. Next is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. It is, I said, that another UNESCO World Heritage Site situated right in the heart of Mumbai, built in the year 1888 during the British colonial period. This edifice exemplifies the Victorian Gothic style of architecture. Next is the Mahalakshmi temple, built in the 1830s by the Hindu merchant. This beautiful temple attracts numerous devotees and more in the Diwali and Navratri. So these are the beautiful places in Mumbai. There are many more places in Mumbai which is popular all over the world, like the Red Carpet, Wax Museum, Mumbai, Haji Ali Dargah, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, ISKCON Temple, Powai Lake, Girgaon Sapoti, Nehru Center, Taraporwala Aquarium, वीर माता जिजाई भोसले, जू एक्सेल वर्ल्ड, जुहू बीच, मरीन ड्राइव, छोटा काश्मीर, वरेली सी प्लेस, हंगिंग गार्डन, बांद्रा वरेली सी लिंक, मुंबई फिल्म सिटी. Many more are there. This is the incomplete list of this. So you can see the beauty of Mumbai in the slides. Next college, that is the second college, that is the Kokal Unnati Mitra Mandals, Vasantrao Naik College of Arts and Commerce from the Murud in the Raigad district. It is about 150 kilometers from the Mumbai. So this is the topography of Murud, but you can see the Murud of beauty in the slide. Murud is a beautiful place and also a tourist place. It is on Arabian seashore. It is rich with the flora and fauna. So it is my duty to welcome to all the dignitaries in the Murud. In the Murud, having very nice fort. that is known as the Murud Fort. And this Murud fort, this belongs to the King Nawab of the Murud. We can see here historical place in Murud, that is the Murud Janjira. So this fort is present on island, and that's the Murud is about. A very rich in natural heritage. And on behalf of Konkan Unnati Mandal's Vasantrao Naik College of Arts and Commerce, again it's a warm welcome to everyone. We would like to introduce about the ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College, Kandivali East, Mumbai. On this event of National E-Conference, you are warm welcome to the Thakur Educational Trust. Now let me introduce about the Chief Patron Shri V.K. Singh, Chairman of Thakur Educational Trust. The Thakur Educational Group comprises three trusts, namely Thakur Educational Trust, Zabru Singh Charitable Trust, and Zabru Singh Educational Trust, managed by the Thakur family and runs 18 institutes located in Kandivali East, Mumbai. The educated second generation of Thakur family under the leadership of Mr. V.K. Singh, Chairman of Thakur Education Group, foresaw the need for the quality education and decided to fulfill the long cherished dream of their elder and to start the School of Degree College in Kandivali East. This ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College is presently run by the patron Rajesh Singh, CEO of ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College. I would like to welcome to the ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College. It is one of the hosts of today's national conference. There are the 15 courses offered by this college: BSc ID Microbiology, BA MMC, BSc Psychology, BSc Actuarial Science, BSc Data Science, BA Film, Television, News, Media and Production, BSc Aeronautics Mechanical, BMS, BSc IT, BSc Computer Science, BSc Hospitality Studies, BA Culinary Art, BCom Accounting and Finance, BCom Banking and Insurance, BSc Aeronautics. So this is about the ZSCTS Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College. You can see the video of library in Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College. Now the second college.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना
is Kokand Unnati Mitra Mandal Vasantram Naik College of Arts and Commerce. Again, it's a warm welcome to everyone. Again, I would like to introduce about the Vasantram Naik College of Arts and Commerce. This college is affiliated with the University of Mumbai, and this college is established in 1992 to provide with the basic need of higher education of local students in Murud Tehsil. This is great achievement that only the college in Murud Taluka started, and it is successfully providing higher education from last 24 years. This college is also accredited at B grade by NAC. There are having two faculties including arts and commerce, and four courses offered by this college are the BCom, MCom, BA and MM. Now let me introduce about the president, that is the Honorable Mushtaq Anturi, that is President of Konkan Unnati Mitra Manda Vasantrao Naik College of Arts and Commerce.